Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P0234-00, categorized as a turbocharger overboost problem, indicates that the turbocharger boost pressure has exceeded acceptable levels as determined by the powertrain control module, PCM. This abnormality triggers the PCM to store the DTC for future reference. The turbocharger is a critical component in increasing engine efficiency and power output by forcing more air into the engine's combustion chamber. When the boost pressure is too high, it can lead to engine performance issues or even damage. To accurately diagnose and resolve this issue, a thorough inspection of the relevant components associated with turbocharging is necessary. Understanding and addressing the DTC will ensure optimal vehicle performance and reliability, especially important for the Honda CR-V model in 2023 and beyond. The DTC P0234-00 indicates an excessive turbocharger boost pressure, which is critical for maintaining an efficient and reliable operation of the Honda CR-V's engine. The turbocharger is designed to force more air into the combustion chamber, enhancing engine performance. The overboost situation suggests that there is an issue with the pressure levels, potentially leading to a loss of performance or engine damage. The PCM detects this abnormality through various sensors, including the turbocharger boost sensor and the barometric pressure sensor. These components are located in the engine compartment and are integral to the monitoring system of the turbocharger's performance. A systematic inspection of these components is crucial to identify and remedy the underlying issue. When diagnosing the DTC P0234-00, several potential causes may be identified. Firstly, a faulty powertrain control module, PCM, could misinterpret sensor data and incorrectly trigger the overboost condition. Secondly, a malfunctioning turbocharger boost sensor might fail to accurately report the current pressure levels, leading to erroneous adjustments by the PCM. Additionally, problems with the turbocharger wastegate control actuator can prevent proper regulation of boost pressure, causing excessive boost. These components must be carefully inspected to pinpoint the exact data or mechanical failures that lead to the overboost problem. Understanding these causes helps in developing an effective troubleshooting and repair strategy. Symptoms associated with the DTC P0234-00 can significantly affect vehicle performance. Drivers may notice a considerable reduction in engine performance, which could manifest as sluggish acceleration or unresponsiveness when pressing the accelerator pedal. Another clear indicator of this issue is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, signifying a detected problem within the engine management system. In severe cases, prolonged overboost conditions can lead to engine damage, highlighting the importance of addressing this DTC promptly. Monitoring the car's performance and diagnosing the root cause of the symptoms can help maintain the longevity and reliability of the Honda CR-V. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0234-00 involves starting the engine and maintaining a consistent speed of 3,000 RPM without any load, such as putting the vehicle in park, P, or neutral, N. This procedure allows for the engine to reach operating temperature and ensures the vehicle's systems are functioning normally. During this step, it's crucial to observe the turbocharger boost pressure, among other parameters, recorded by the onboard diagnostic system. This data provides insight into whether the boost pressure is indeed excessive or if the DTC is a result of sensor malfunction or miscalibration. This test effectively sets the stage for further inspections and diagnoses, as it offers a snapshot of the vehicle's current operational state. In the second troubleshooting step, it's important to check the atmospheric pressure using a barometer and compare it with the readings from the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, for the barometric pressure sensor. The HDS should show values close to atmospheric pressure under normal conditions. If the readings from the HDS are significantly different from expected values, this may indicate a problem with the PCM or the barometric sensor itself. The PCM's role here is to interpret sensor values to manage engine performance, and an abnormal reading would necessitate further exploration of the PCM's functionality and connections. Accurate assessment in this stage is vital for diagnosing the root cause of the turbocharger overboost condition. The third troubleshooting step involves inspecting the turbocharger boost sensor, which is fundamental in regulating the turbocharger's performance. Similar to the previous steps, start by checking the atmospheric pressure with a barometer, followed by confirming the boost pressure readings via the HDS while the vehicle is in the on position. Normal conditions for the turbocharger boost sensor should also reflect values closely matching atmospheric pressure. If abnormalities are detected in the sensor's functionality, it may necessitate replacement. This component directly influences how the PCM manages the turbocharger, and ensuring its proper operation is key to resolving the DTC P0234-00. In the fourth step, the turbocharger wastegate control actuator requires a functional inspection to ensure it operates correctly. The wastegate actuator is critical for regulating the turbocharger's boost pressure. During this test, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to verify the actuator's operation. Visually inspecting the actuator can also provide insights into its functionality. If the actuator fails to operate as intended, it can lead to excessive boost pressure. Confirming the DTC P0234-00. Replacing a faulty actuator can restore proper boost control and alleviate the overboost condition, enhancing overall engine performance. The fifth troubleshooting step focuses on assessing the turbocharger bypass control line for any issues. This line is crucial as it affects the ability of the turbocharger to maintain appropriate boost levels. During this inspection, check for any poor connections, blockages, restrictions, or leakages in the bypass line. An improper connection or any physical damage can adversely affect the turbocharger's performance, contributing to excessive boost conditions. Identifying and rectifying these faults is essential to resolve DTC P0234-00. A thorough check can ensure that the turbocharger operating system is functioning as intended without any hindrances. Upon completing the repairs associated with DTC P0234-00, it is crucial to verify that the issues have been successfully resolved. This is done by clearing any DTC codes stored in the PCM and conducting a test drive of the vehicle under similar conditions to those when the fault was detected. Monitoring vehicle performance during the drive is essential to ensure that the turbocharger operates within the normal parameters. During this verification phase, watch out for any returning symptoms or reoccurring DTC codes. Successful confirmation indicates that the repair actions have rectified the issue, allowing for enhanced engine performance and preventing potential future complications. To prevent DTC P0234-00 from recurring, implementing a routine preventive maintenance schedule for the turbocharging system is advisable. Regular inspections of the turbocharger and its associated components can detect early signs of wear or malfunction before they escalate into major issues. Monitoring sensor functionality, particularly the turbocharger boost sensor and barometric pressure sensor, helps ensure proper readings are consistently obtained. Furthermore, keeping an eye on the boost pressure throughout regular driving conditions will assist in preemptively identifying any irregularities. By maintaining your Honda CR-V and conducting these checks, you ensure long-term performance and guard against unexpected repairs. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0234-00 and its implications is essential for effective vehicle maintenance and repair. The turbocharger system plays a vital role in enhancing engine performance, and any overboost issues must be addressed promptly to avoid complications. Identifying symptoms such as reduced performance or check engine light activation is crucial to diagnosing the problem accurately. The systematic troubleshooting steps enable technicians to inspect pertinent components thoroughly, ultimately helping pinpoint the issue and rectifying it effectively. By ensuring continuous monitoring and adhering to preventive measures, Honda CR-V owners can maintain their vehicles in optimal condition, enhancing performance and longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.